Are your app download or stuck or pending on your Pixel phone? The Play Store won't download or update apps? Don't worry, this quick guide will show you the most effective ways to fix Play Store download issues. Before starting, ensure that you have a stable connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to test. You can also toggle airplane mode on and off to refresh your network. Solution 1. Clear cache and data for Play Store. Go to Settings on your device. Then, tap Apps. Next, tap See All Apps. Now look for the Google Play Store and tap it. After that, tap Storage and Cache. Next, tap Clear Cache and tap Clear Storage. This fixes corrupted files that cause downloads to get stuck. Solution 2. Clear cache for Google Play services. Go to Settings on your device. Then, tap Apps. Next, tap See All Apps. Now look for Google Play services and tap it. After that, tap Storage and Cache. Next, tap Clear Cache. This service is essential for downloads to work properly. Solution 3. Check storage space. Low storage can block downloads. Go to Settings on your phone. Scroll a little bit and tap Storage. Make sure you have enough free space. Delete unused apps or files if needed. Solution 4. Reset app preferences. Go to Settings on your Pixel. Scroll down and tap System. Now, scroll to the bottom and tap Reset Options. Then tap Reset App Preferences and confirm it. This won't delete your data, but it will reset disabled apps and permissions. If this video helps you, drop a like, subscribe for more Pixel and Android fixes, and comment below if your issue was fixed. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.